Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. I know it's a strange introduction from me kitchen, but there's just some things I need to explain about this video you're going to notice if I don't explain them in the first place anyway. So, when I filmed the film that you're going to watch now, it was actually meant to be a film about a record attempt, a magnet fishing record attempt that involves a cycling, not record, but a cycling challenge as well. So, when I was there, I did decide I'd do a little bit of magnet fishing first, just to make the video more interesting and put that in the video as well, while I was explaining about the record attempt. During that filming, as you'll see, it started throwing it down with rain, so I didn't actually get round to telling you what the record attempt is. So I came home and I started editing the magnet fishing video you're going to see now together, thinking I'll go out the next day and I'll film the remainder and do the explanation and show you some things I need to show you about the record attempt. While I was editing that film together, sitting exactly where I am now, I was tired. I'd been up the night before editing it, and I got up the next morning first thing early, started editing it a bit more. And while that was happening, well, we don't know what it was. It was like a seizure. I was sat here 1 minute looking at this computer, which is right here. And the next thing I know, I'd been on the floor. Didn't know what had happened to me on the floor, but I'd ripped my toenail off. I pulled all the muscles in my back, my legs. I couldn't use my arms and legs properly. Couldn't speak. I couldn't remember my name, age, what year it was. So I was rushing in hospital while I was editing this video. So the second part is now going to be delayed, and I've decided I'll just put this out, and then I'll do a fresh video, but it will just be about the magnet fishing record, and also in there is going to be my ultimate magnet fishing vehicle. But I'll stop waffling now. I was looked at, like I say, for heart attacks, strokes, seizures, that kind of stuff, so it's interrupted everything at the moment, so bear with me. Hope you enjoy this video. I've kept it short this time. I think I'm going to put the bit in about finding, somebody asked me to find keys and this, anyway, have a look, but bear with me on the magnet fishing record. Like I say, I mentioned it loads in the video, so it makes no sense. Enjoy the video. Hello again YouTube, welcome to another video. I wasn't going to do any magnet fishing today. If I'm a bit out of breath, I'm actually on a training ride slash test ride today for some stuff that's relevant to the title basically. But I've just found this bridge, so I thought I might as well have a quick go magnet fishing along the way. Hopefully it's better than last time. But that's not the objective today anyway. Just a bit of a bonus. Like I say, I'll explain to you the magnet fishing record attempt in this video and also show you the ultimate magnet fishing vehicle. Hope you enjoy the video. Just ready been first thrown out, but if I don't get anything here, it's because the flint for magnetise. There's a bit of a magnet fishing ninja around these parts, so if you haven't got him added already, go and have a look at his YouTube and magnetise on Facebook as well.
And a magnet?
Yeah.
You know what you want to do? Do me a favour, go down by the locks and find me my keys.
Which one?
I threw his keys.
Which one's down the next one?
Yeah, literally by the doctors.
Hey?
In the lock.
Just where the lock is.
I'm going down there in a minute.
I'll meet you there.
If I don't see you, I'm coming back tomorrow and doing that little bridge there. So if I find them, I'll bring them with me. Find loads.
They're on a big massive keychain thing, so...
It wasn't in the lock or just before them?
In the
lock, she chucked them in the lock.
Well, I chucked them and they literally skittled all the way across the
Good luck anyway, mate.
Cheers, mate.
See you later.
These broken thoughts can be so cold. There's nothing more for us to know. We feel so young but yet so old. The night is dark but not for us. We've gone inside a summer night. The streets are full with our lights.
It's actually a bit rubbish because there's so many branches in over there. I'm pulling more branches in and probably pulling anything metal off. But the guy up there and his missus, so they can see him talking, they've lost a set of keys in the next lock, next lockdown right at the edge. So I might knock this on the head pretty quick. I'll have a go on the other side, but like I say, there's so many branches in it. If I show you over here on the other side, there's trees obviously, and there's trees above my head here. And over here it's falling in. I'm just getting loads of this. So I've actually started throwing it back in because there's nothing I can do with wood. So yeah, I'll have another couple of throws here, then I'll go and try to find this lad's keys. He's told me to drop them off at a specific shop, so I'll carry on here for a little bit more when this boat's gone past. Yeah, I've only just got here though, so this is the grand total. Brilliant. Anyway, I'll go down to the next lock, have a dab about for their keys. If we find them, I'll take them to the shop and we'll film it as well. So I don't know if he's out of the shop himself. I doubt it because he was smoking a joint. Yeah, but we'll go down to the next lock and see if we can find these keys. Then I'll explain to you, if I haven't already, what's happening with this record attempt. Right, we're on the move. The lock's only a few hundred yards down here. Giving this bike a bit of a run. Testing out certain things, I'll show you properly in a bit. Like I said, this is supposed to be a training ride and a test fit kit I've got to do this record attempt with. Alright. the boat's coming, so just got to move everything out of the way. Rain's not too bad actually. It's not actually cold. So yeah, I'll come back to you in a minute when this boat's gone through. Although it might make a lovely bit of video. We'll get there. I was getting off your hand, but you've got it mastered.
A lot of practice.
So that's it. It's a nice one. Looks like that. It's quite new. It's not old, is it? Got a torch. Bit of scaffold. Bit of rebar. Can. Another can. Some metal plate and a bit of pipe. And on my bike, I've actually got a scaffold pole as well. It's loaded on my bike, so I won't show you that. It's just a bit of scaffold pole. So many people about today and whistling me bags just over here, so I do have to keep an eye on what's going on. But I'm going to load this up now. In fact, I will show you the scaffold. Huge scaffold, not huge, but